Welcome back on Info for Triply, and this is fifth video of power electronics using MATLAB Simulink. Today we will discuss the common anode configuration of diode using MATLAB Simulink, and you are with Palamjit Singh Jamwal. First of all, we will discuss the circuit diagram of common anode configuration. For this, I am considering 3 diodes, and anode of these diodes are connected at common point. That's why it is known as common anode configuration. And cathode of D1 is connected with negative terminal of 4-volt battery. Cathode of D2 is connected with negative terminal of 6-volt battery, and cathode of D3 is connected with negative terminal of 8-volt battery. Now discussing this circuit step by step. In first step, I am considering this circuit without any battery. So in the waveform there is no voltage drop across the D1, D2 and D3, and hence there is no voltage and current at the 2 ohm resistance. In second step, I am considering a 4-volt battery connected with D1. So this is also shown in the waveform where 4-volt battery voltage is here and 2-volt drop across the diode is shown here. So correspondingly there will be net 2 voltage across the 2 ohm resistance, which is shown here, and correspondingly there will be 1 ampere current to the 2 ohm resistance. Now getting the status of voltage across D2 and D3. This 2 volt also seen across the cathode of D2 and D3. So this minus 2 volt shown here and minus 2 volt shown here. Now 6-volt battery is connected with D2. So in the waveform 6-volt battery voltage shown here and the 2-volt dropped across the D2 is shown here. So net 4-volt will be seen across the 2 ohm resistance, which is shown here, and correspondingly there will be 2 ampere currents through the resistance 2 ohm. Now getting the status of D1 and D3, this minus 4 volt will be seen across the anode of D1 and minus 4 volt seen across the cathode D1. So net 0 volt seen across the D1, which is shown here. Also 4 volt will be seen across the cathode of D3. So minus 4 volt will be dropped across the D3, which is shown here. In fourth step, we are adding 8-volt battery with D3 also, which is shown here, and correspondingly 2 volt will be dropped across the D3, which is shown here. So net 6 volt will be seen across the 2 ohm resistance, which is shown here, and correspondingly there will be 3 ampere current, which is shown here. Now getting the status about D1 and D2. Now minus 6 volt at anode of D1 and minus 4 volt at cathode of D1. So net minus 2 volt will be dropped across the D1, which is shown here, and minus 6 volt at anode of D2 also, and minus 6 volt at cathode of D2. So net 0 volt will be seen across the D2, which is shown here. From this discussion, it is clear that the diode which is connected with most negative terminal of the battery will conduct for this common anode configuration. Now moving towards the practical session on MATLAB. In this video, we will continue the simulation we have created in 4th lecture. So just open the simulation and save this simulation with different name. Now to replace this common cathode configuration with common anode configuration, just remove these sources from here and connect the anode of these diode at common point. Now shift this diode below and disconnect this terminal and connect 4-volt battery here. Similarly, disconnect this terminal and connect 6-volt battery here, and also disconnect this terminal and connect 8-volt battery here. Now connect these terminals to complete the circuit. Now our simulation is ready. Just save this simulation and run this simulation. It is showing error because we have not set the sample time. So first set sample time. Now after setting sample time, run the simulation and also open scope log to observe the results. You can clearly see that we are obtaining desired results as discussed in the presentation. So now this is sufficient for today. We are thankful to Rafael Ramos for their appreciating words. If this video is useful to you, then like and share it. If you have any query or suggestion, then let me know through your comments. If you want to get a notification about our upcoming videos, then subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. Thank you for being with us.